Plus video, yeah.
In the world, no one knows. Look this way at me right now. People, I need to tell you something. There's a bird after me. His name is Big Bird. He's after me. Oh, Springtrap, it's me, Big Bird. Yeah. He's coming for me. He's coming for me. I need to take cover.
Daddy, look, he's Big Bird.
You cannot go near him, daughter. After we worked at the hospital, you were misbehaving.
That's not how you say it. You weren't behaving as how you say it.
I'm the puppet, I say anything. I'm the one who created you.
You didn't create me. You didn't create me. You ain't create me.
Shut up. Hey, I'm Big Bird. You want me to sit down right here?
Yes, Mr. Big Bird.
I'm just going to sit right here. Oh, I'm slipping.
Big Bird, sit down.
Ribbit. Mr. Frog, I see you're here.
Yes, I'm here.
Ribbit, now get out my face.
Daddy, wait, I want to hang out with Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird. Get your arm out. Let me lay down with you.
Yes, I am the best. Excuse me, little girl, you might want to get away from him because guess what?
What?
He's evil. Ribbit.
Oh my God, Freddy, look, it's Big Bird. I'm a Fetty Foxy. You're going in for the chicken, aren't you?
Jesus, why do you have to be such a fatty?
He's such a fatty Foxy. I really want to throw this thing at him. He's so fat. I bet he can eat the sock. It's because he ate a lot of Big Macs and Taco Bell. And all the other double cheeseburgers. Hello, Mr. Big Bird. I'm a Fatty Foxy.
You must be Foxy, the pirate fox.
No, it's Fatty Foxy.
Fine, Fatty Foxy. Get this girl off me.
Oh.
I was expecting Freddy Central.
You're expecting us? Oh, yeah, Fatty Foxy, yeah. Now, hold up. What the heck are you talking about?
I was expecting Freddy Central, and I thought that it could be really easy.
Easy? So what? What? Play with this fatty? I'm not fat. I'm a Fatty Foxy. That's what never mind. Whatever.
I'm telling you, I was expecting you guys, and I thought that I could make a deal.
What deal?
That you give me Freddy Central.
And you give me my street. Sesame Street? Yeah. No deal, man. Deal! No, I'm the leader of the whole...
Perfect!
What the heck? I said nothing. Foxy, say something! Fatty! Pah! Oh my God. We're dead, man. Nightmare Freddy, we're dead.
I can already tell.
Oh, get this fatty off of me. Oh no, here he comes. Oh, never! Oh dear God! Oh my God! He just farted on her. Ew! Ew, I can smell it. I can finally throw this at him. I just gotta get at the right angle. Down here. I'm gonna throw it. Yeah. You missed.